So I dropped down the factory harness for the front fog lights. Now in this car, it would have had smaller lens assemblies and then a fog driving light here. I know a lot of people interchange fog light and driving light. I don't particularly like to. I like to keep driving light as being a type of clear-ish light, like a white light, and where fog light is more of like an amber light. I guess it's old school. It used to be that way. They used to say that if you run in bright white light in a fog or a snowstorm, it would bounce back and blind you. Been in a couple of snowstorms where I can see definitely what they're getting at, but being in southeastern Virginia, that happens once every like 3,000 years. So I don't have a lot of personal experience with it, but I'm running a clear driving light, low to the outside, should have a wide projection out. This is the harness they came with. Just cut the factory end, use some weather pack connectors. Got both sides and got the bumper cleaned. Everything's cut and ready. I like this style body clip better than the Christmas tree ones. I had some Christmas trees that would fit, but I'm just going to use these instead. Where the insert goes in, I think I'm pretty sure I already showed this, but I drilled it and set riv nuts in place, and I'm going to use stainless steel cap screws on it. Tested some coloring. It's a little cloudy outside. I know you can kind of see the difference. I tossed back and forth painting it, and I probably should have in the long run, but that stuff's gotten extremely expensive lately. So I am going to try this stuff, which comes highly recommended based on the 30 seconds of YouTube and Google searching that I did. So yeah, let's get everything mounted up and then we'll come back and look at it and see if there's a noticeable difference. Alright, everything's back on in one piece. That McGuire stuff actually works pretty good. You can definitely tell the color difference. Making sure this is seated properly. I had a little difficulty doing it by myself. You can also see differences in, well, maybe not. I don't know if my camera's picking it up, but like there are different shades in the black from where the plastic has been, I don't know, maybe treated differently or something like that over the years. I did do a full car soap scrub down and wax remover, like for auto body painting, before I applied any of this. I don't know if I should have, if it helped, if it didn't help. It is kind of a bear working it into some of these detailed pieces. They just, you gotta push for all you're worth. But overall, I think it came out okay. Driving lights are in. Yeah, as people were commenting on the forum, they are pointed down. I do have to go in and re-angle them, but I have movement in the brackets and everything. I can do that. I've got space for it. I gotta wait till it's dark and I can see where all we're at. I painted this little inset a dark gray. Not that anybody's ever gonna see it behind the this far down or anything like that, but I kind of thought it was a nice contrast to all the black in the bumper, and it kind of sort of matches what I got from using the shadow coating on the chrome grille. So yeah,